but a party and a party until mom comes through. So, welcome back to the Mom Company, a place where we discuss everything mom likes. I'm Danielle, and today we will be talking about and comparing the Coach Pillow Tabby, both sizes, in the size 26 and the size 18, which is the mini. My mini just came in the mail, and I was like, I'm gonna record a video for my girls so that they can know which one they want to purchase. They can see what fits in both bags. They can, decide, compare, contrast, the whole bit. I know we've been seeing these purses all over social media, but a party and a party until mom comes through. So we're here today, and before we get into the video, let's get into the business. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, because that way you will never miss an upload. You will be immediately alerted as soon as I have an upload go live. And if you haven't already and you would like to, make sure you're following me on my other socials at The Mom Company on Instagram and The Mom Company on Facebook. You can find me there. Say hello, leave me a comment, drop me a little heart emoji, and I will respond and say hi back to you. I think that's it. I just want to touch and feel on all of my bags. So let's go. Let's get into the video. So I have both size tabbies, the pillow tabbies. These are the Coach Pillow Tabbies. This is in the size 26 and this is in the size 18. So since I've had this one first, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this one. I'm sure you've seen it already. This is in like the cream ivory color. More of a cream, more of like a warm neutral color with brass hardware. It has a top handle, which you can also do like an under the shoulder type situation with this type handle, because it's large enough for that. Ooh, almost dropped it. It also comes with a long strap, a shoulder strap, or crossbody you can use this as. So I'm gonna go ahead and unhook this. This also has the brass hardware. It's really nice. Of course, Coach is like all leather, quality leather, and they play no games like when it comes to their leather. Oh. They play no games when it comes to their leather, and I can appreciate that. I can also appreciate the price point of their items, being that it is a leather bag, Yeah, this is the long strap. You can wear it crossbody or you can wear it on your shoulder. You can wear both straps at once. You can wear one or the other. Like, this bag is the versatility for me. It is the versatility for me. Like, you can wear it any way you want. The leather is a Napa leather. It is super, super plush and soft. I'm a little scared of it because I feel like it might scratch easily, like lambskin on Chanel bags. But I'm trying not to baby this bag. I've carried it one time and I was like a nervous wreck. So we're gonna see how we can prevent, just damaging the leather. But it has two compartments inside and a zipper compartment in the middle, which is nice and roomy. That compartment is lined with a fabric. Of course, brass hardware throughout. I feel like I have a lash falling on me. Yeah, it has, the only thing I feel is missing from this bag is an outside pocket or some sort of like an easy access compartment, so that I don't have to open up my whole entire bag to get into the contents. When I carry my Chanel, I like that outside pocket. It gives me access to like my phone or my debit card if I don't feel like opening the double flap and getting into it. I would appreciate something like that. I also believe that the bag would be less front heavy if there was a pocket on the back to balance it out. Otherwise, this bag is beautiful. It came in a green, which I wanted, but I missed out on that because I just was really slow to purchase. It came in like a Kelly green. It came in like a dusty rose pink. They call it taffy. And I believe it came in black. And I've also seen it in an orange color. So I chose the cream bag. Honestly, I don't really own any cream bags, and I'm trying to become an adult and carry a bag that could possibly get dirty and take care of it. I'm just trying to be an adult, you know, a grown woman. But yes, I absolutely love this bag. It is worth the purchase. I can give you some specs. I wrote it down in my notebook. So this is the Coach Tabby, the Coach Pillow Tabby in size 26. I told you it's Napa leather. It has a detachable short strap, which has a drop of 7 3/4 inches, and it has a detachable long strap that is 21 1/4 inches. And then the overall size is 10 1/2 inches long. Sorry, I'm trying to look out the window and watch my kids play outside. They're like all over the place. Anyways, the overall size is 10 1/2 inches long, 6 inches high, and then 3 inches wide. I think it's perfect. You can fit a good amount of things in here. I wore it the other day and I did not feel like I was missing anything. I just couldn't carry a whole makeup bag, which I don't need to do that anyways. But you know, it's just wonderful. Oh, and the price is $4.95 for this size. And if you purchase it at like a department store like Macy's, Dillard's, Belk, Bloomingdale's, I'm pretty sure they run like specials. If you are a card holder, you can get 25% off or 20% off. There's always a discount somewhere. So that's for you. That's from me to you. Now, baby, she just came in the mail today. And listen, I was ready to film this video at like noon, but the FedEx guy or UPS guy, whoever it was, didn't get here until after I got the kids out of school. So here I am with my dusty makeup and I'm filming this video because, girl, I'm ready to carry this thing. This is so cute. I think this is gonna be like my first like mini bag. And I'm really excited. This is the Coach Pillow Tabby in the size 18. It retails for $3.95, which is an awesome price when you're trying to get into like the luxury market. I think that is a great starting point. I think my eyes just crossed, but that is a great starting point. And I think it makes it more accessible. It makes luxury items more accessible to people who want to break into the luxury market. I got it in the color, I don't know the name of the color, but it's like a pastel neon green. That's how I can describe this color. It is gorgeous. It is so stinking cute. Now I know how people feel when they see minis. Like, oh, so cute. How could you not want the mini? How could you not? So it comes in this color. I want to say there's a cream color. I've seen like a muted plum color, or maybe like a raspberry, and then I've seen a pink color, similar to taffy, but not the same as the taffy. My SA at Coach decided to let me know that it's not the same. It's not the same pink. So I'm looking into that one as well, because if I wear this, I need another one. Okay, anyways, it's Napa leather. It has a detachable 4-inch strap, which is right here. Like I said, I just got this in, so I haven't taken anything out. That's a 4-inch drop hand. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then the detachable long strap is 21.5 inches long, which is perfect for crossbody and shoulder. I think I would prefer to carry this strap as opposed to the other one, because the other one is a longer strap by like 1/4 inch. So I can feel like I can tell the difference, but Yeah, this is the shoulder strap. It has a pillowy Coach tag on it. And the inside, it has an inside pocket, which is what I was looking for on the bigger size. It has an inside pocket. Let me take this stuff out. It has 2 compartments on the inside. No zipper section, which is fine by me. Yeah, two compartments on the inside, and then a small like side pocket, no outer pocket. I don't think that's necessary on a mini bag, but if I wasn't recording with my phone, I could show you what fits in there. It has silver hardware. I believe this is the only one, the only color option that comes with the silver hardware, and I just think it's perfect. Like, I wouldn't imagine it any other way. These are the 2 bags side by side, and there is a clear difference in size, which I'm grateful for, because that makes me feel like it was worth it to purchase both of them, because they're not close in size. So if I'm just running out really quick and I just need my phone, my wallet, and a lip gloss, hand sanitizer, I would definitely carry this. If I'm going to be out more long term, I got the kids with me, we're going somewhere like to the mall, then dinner, or, you know, to my parents' house, or something more long term where I'm going to be out all day, I can definitely fit more into this big bag. And they're both just super plush. Do you need both of them? I don't know if you need it, but the option is available. Yeah, I just think that they're beautiful bags. Like, let's see, let me try and fit some stuff into these bags. I have my Never Full here, huge bag. I've been carrying it for the last few days. So I'm just gonna pull some items out of there to see what I can fit into this little Tabby mini, okay? So of course I need my wallet. So that fits into there. I have a phone. Okay. I have a phone. It is the iPhone 7 Plus. It's an old phone. I let London play with it when we're out, and I'm gonna see if it fits in here. That fits in there absolutely perfect. And what I have right now, I think I have the iPhone 11. I think I have the 11X Plus or whatever. So it's smaller than the 7 Plus for sure. So I know that my phone will fit in there comfortably, and I'll probably be able to fit like a lip gloss beside it. So there, and then I have my AirPods. Ooh, she pushing it. Ooh, she pushing it. She can't fit it. No, she can't. Can't fit my AirPods in there. Maybe with my phone, I would be able to do that. I have a lip oil that fits like perfectly in there. That was made for that spot. And it closes with no problem. Like, you're not gonna get much in here, which I'm fine with. Like, teach me how to pack light. Teach me how to pack light with my little Tabby. And it's beautiful. Like, it's cute. It's really cute. So of course you would be able to fit more. If you are a heavy packer, like you need all of your items in your bag, I would go with the Coach Tabby 26, the bigger size. If you are a light packer and all you need is your what's wrong with my child? Hold on. That's what I've been able to fit in there. If my wallet was a little smaller, I think I would probably fit a little bit more, but I'm okay with it only fitting these items. Like, it's fine. It's not the end of the world. It'll be all right. So what I do recommend is that if you are a heavy packer, go ahead and go with that 26, size 26. And if you are a light packer, go ahead and go with the mini size. Or if you're like me and need all the options, go ahead and go with both. Go ahead and go with both. I'm telling you, and green is like the color of the season, one of the colors of the season. So yeah, let me see if I can fit some stuff into the Tabby, the big one. Same wallet. I know I can live large in this bag. My lip gloss. I'm gonna take this phone, even though it's bigger. So I know that it looks like with the compartments, you'll be able to stretch them wider if you needed to. Like there's that give. With the mini, there's not that give. You won't be able to buckle it shut. So I think that if you need to have 2 thin rows of items per compartment, you'll be fine with that. I have a hand lotion. Oh, AirPods. My mask. I don't want to put it in there because it has makeup on it. I'm old. I do carry around a checkbook or whatever. My checkbook. I've got some sunnies. And I carry around 2 car keys, one for my husband's car, one for my car, because you just never know what the heck goes down. And what else do I have in here? Girl, I get to add a bonus lip gloss. London needs her asthma pump. Can't forget about that. It's so much room in this, and I could still add about 1 to 2 more items. Like, this is perfect. Perfect. Those are the 2 bags. I cannot wait to carry this mini because it is a beautiful color. I just wanted to make a video comparing the 2 for you guys so that you can see what your options are. I asked my essay, will they be coming out with more colors? And she said, possibly, and winked at me. So get your coins together because we're going to get more colors for sure of this bag. It's so cute, especially of the mini. Like, I just need more mini colors. For real, for real. Okay, girl, that's the end of the video. I just hope that I was able to help you make a decision on which bag size to get of the Coach Pillow Tabby, the 24, the 26, or the 18, and or both. Let me know in the comments down below if you get the bag, if you've seen the bag, if you like the bag, if you hate the bag. Talk to me, girl. I want to know. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.